First of all, thank you so much
Thank you.
for being here with us. I want to ask you a few questions.
Sure.
First of all, tell me a little bit about the relationship you have with yourself.
With myself before the accident?
Both.
Both. So who is on social media? Who's using Facebook? Everyone. Have you ever put your relationship status complicated? My relationship with myself before I was here was so complicated. It was all about people. It was never about me. There was no me anywhere. You see, people's pleaser. The person who just wants